Alright. Alright, this is gonna be. This is gonna be like. Alright, make sure that Mr. Ross Playhouse 3 is coming soon. But there's gonna be Esther, and Mr. Ross. But their new character's coming soon. But now on to the video. Yoo-hoo! Flaky's massive sneeze. It sure is a nice walk, guys. Yep, it is. Nice walk. What is it? Oh, hey, Flippy. Hey. Oh, sorry. What was that? Now I have a massive sneeze. What? Watch. That is hilarious because I know this is the first time making a YouTube video. First, we need to make sure how to cure this. Now we got Esther from Mr. Hop's Playhouse. And now, hey, what you doing? Oh, Flippy, no. Oh. Alright, Flippy, are you okay? Flippy, are you okay? Yeah. Oh, yeah. But we got... Wait. I've got an idea. But even it talks like Mario. Achoo! Alright, now this is... Wait, I want to make sure this is the weirdest video ever. Now beware. There's a very bad sneeze. When someone sneezes in front of someone, they get blown away. Is that crazy? That's what I thought of. Now, this is my first time making my own YouTube video. We're going to pause right there. Just go ahead and do something. Okay. Okay, you ready? Achoo! Oh no! The Play-Doh factory! Oh no. Yep, I get it. This is no time to lose. Come on, guys. Come on, everyone. Now, many huggies. Okay, hello. Do you know a way? Hey, Isaac, do you know a way to cure Flaky? I don't know. Shit. Oh. But if there is a way to cure her, but now I changed the other name. But that excuse what? Remember I read these videos at school. But if you see my Palzenic. But this is gonna be so weird, so hilarious. I hope you laugh right now because this is gonna be the laughest thing. But the thing is, I plugged my computer. But also, we'll save it as a part of it. But if you want to do, I could just save it as a part of it and then do a recording again for part 1, so I can go check the battery. All right, you didn't. Wait, I did. 2 hours later. Because do you know a way to cure? Yes, I know a way. How great, Mr. Hobbs. Now tell me the way. Now, there's an antidote. Yeah, the antidote. It's in Play-Doh. Oh, there's the Play-Doh factory. We saw the Play-Doh factory. Maybe I should have known about it. Oh no, everyone, he's gonna blow. Oh, Blakey. Oh no, he's catching a cold. There's a massive cold. Don't rag it out. Okay, that should hold it. It'll just last for 5 minutes. Great. Now, do you know a way back? Now, let's go. Now, let's go. Now, my name is I'm Shadow the Hedgehog. The one in Ultimate Light Form. Oh, you want to go see more like this? You had to hit that like button and subscribe. And subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our recording channel. But make sure if you want if you want me to make more, go hit that like button. Remember that. Subscribe and go to all. And it will be amazing. I'll warn you for that. There's gonna be ways. I thought about ways that what we can do. But this is just gonna be shorts, okay? It is shorts, but this is all about what this is supposed to be like an animation called Flaky's Massive Sneeze. But hurry, you wanna know? You wanna know if you wanna get some more? Alright, back to the video. Oh no, our factory! No, why is this factory? Because I wish I could just make a... There's the antidote! We have to find the antidote. I can't get in. We have to jump across. I have an idea. This for all toys. This brick can also mean anyone. This can also be anyone, alright? This is just made up. This is a made up thing. If you like this video, you had to get chat. You had to get some cool chats for me. Thank you. Thank you. Now we're gonna go help that little guy. We're gonna go help that little guy get the antidote. We're gonna help, we're gonna help the guy get here. Sorry, that's what. Okay, this is not the part of the show, but okay. Okay, so we're gonna get that antidote. Here comes watch. That's great. Whoa, there's an antidote. We need to get that antidote. It's made out of white Play-Doh. All done. Now we have to open your mouth, Flaky. Okay, everyone, brace yourselves. Achoo. Yes, it worked. It worked. It worked. Yes, it worked. It worked. It worked. Thanks, Sonic. Yep, there's more. There are like more videos like this, but so you know, we gotta. What was that noise? What was that noise? And I don't know. Wait, that's the robot it's the entity. The entity! This is your end, Sonic. You stalked me like in Mr. Ross' Playhouse. I failed because of you. This is gay because of you. Not this time. Oh! Knockout! Phew, that was close. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. And anyways, I'm Esther, by the way. So remember for some chats and don't forget to go. If you join, you'll be in order to the Pizza Club, or the Aesthetics Kids Watch Squad. This Kids Watch Squad, yay! Oh, this is controlled by. Oh yeah. Alright, my name is Zenik. I am the host of this video, but now you'll see more characters and you can meet more. Yeah, but this is gonna be all the shorts before maybe a long time ago. There'll be some adventures with Sonic the Hedgehog. I just made it up. I haven't did it yet. Yeah, but okay, bye.